During a recent trans-Pacific crossing to Korea and Japan on the Far East Loop from the west coast, the MV Sealand Intrepid, operated by Maersk Line Limited, discovered a hull fracture in their No. 3, No. 4 port ballast tank while conducting routine tank inspections. Divers were contacted on their next port of call to report where the fracture originated and any possible causes. The investigation showed that the crack originated at the forward end of the bilge keel at the toe of the bilge keel doubler. Only 6 months prior, the vessel had completed her 5-year dry docking, and now the owners were faced with a dilemma. Should they try to carry out a temporary repair and forfeit their U-Wild in December 2012 and be given a condition of class by the American Bureau of Shipping, or should they go to dry dock again for a permanent repair? The vessel owners realized the benefit of having a permanent rather than temporary repair, and on discovering that OceanWide Repair, their long-term approved ship repair vendor based in Long Beach, California, had a permanent underwater repair procedure and welder certifications, the decision was an easy one to make. OceanWide Repair had recently undergone extensive testing and received approval for their permanent underwater hull repair procedure from the USCG, the American Bureau of Shipping, Lloyd's Register, Germanischer Lloyd, and Det Norsk Veritas. On being awarded the repair, OceanWide Repair dispatched their diver contractor, Subsea Solutions, to dive a sister vessel which was then on the west coast to template the area at the forward bilge keel termination at the turn of the bilge on the hull. Once the template and measurements were taken, OceanWide Repair quickly fabricated a cofferdam in preparation for the repair. The vessel owner contracted a naval architect to provide recommended modifications in order to prevent the problem from occurring again, and these were reviewed by attending USCG inspectors and the American Bureau of Shipping surveyors. On the vessel's arrival at a lay berth in Long Beach, California, the cofferdam was fitted by the divers and its watertight integrity tested. OceanWide Repair then proceeded in cutting out the fractured area in the hull, which also provided access to the cofferdam on the outside of the hull to carry out the modifications to the bilge keel and doubler, in order to bring both back in line to an internal adjacent frame as recommended by the naval architect. With the external modifications completed, a preformed hull insert plate was fitted and welded in place with OceanWide Repair's revolutionary method of fully welding the insert in place using a track system and ceramic tape. After all UT and MPI testing was completed to the satisfaction of the governing inspection bodies, the vessel was able to sail 48 hours later with a permanent repair and the all-important exclusion of the condition of class. All concerned parties were satisfied, especially the owners, who could now proceed with their U-Wild in December 2012. With their proven and tested method of permanent underwater hull repairs, OceanWide Repair continues to provide superior service to customers worldwide who may be facing such a dilemma.